Welcome to the channel, YouTube channel Competition Seekers. And as I have posted my uploaded two videos in which I have discussed 1 to 100 questions asked in the BPSC Headmaster examination, written examination that was held on 31st May. Today in this video I shall discuss 101 to 150 questions along with the answer. I will tell you the answer and you should check your answer so that you can confirm about your result. Which of the following factors resist socialization? Here 5 options are given: insecurity, limitation, identification, cooperation. As we have seen, all the fifth option is common in all questions. So when you have the answers more than one option, then you can opt for option E. But in this case of 101, we find that option A is the most appropriate answer. So we have to take upon option number A. Now we come to question number 102. The question is, which of the following stages marks the involvement of children in their peer groups? Involvement of children in their peer groups. In which stage children are involved in their peer group? Adulthood, childhood, adolescence, early childhood, none of the above. Here we have to opt for answer number C, option number C. Now we have to go for question number 103, which is like this. Which step is prominent in the syntax of teaching model of memory level and understanding level? Which step is prominent? Which step is prominent in the syntax of teaching model of memory level and understanding level? There are 4 options. Fifth option is very common, that was none of the above, but we have to first explore the 4 options given here: planning, exploration, generalization and presentation. Then we have to find out which is the prominent step in the model of memory level and understanding level. So here option D, presentation, is the perfect answer and you should go through it. Now question number 104. A dyslexic learner suffers from which of the following? Dys means there may be some difficulty, maybe difficulty in calculation, maybe difficulty in processing language. Then what does the word dyslexic mean? Then it is difficulty in processing language, difficulty in doing mathematical calculation. As we know, मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन में डिफिकल्टी होती है, डी कैलकुलिया होता है, डिफिकल्टी इन मेंटेनिंग बॉडी बैलेंस, डिफिकल्टी इन राइटिंग, none of the above or more than one of the above. Dyslexic, they have difficulty in processing language. So option A is the right answer. Now we come on question number 105. Which of the following is a limitation of rating skills? What are the limitation of rating skills? Rating skills are less time consuming. Ratings based on human judgment are subject to many sources of personal biases. Rating scales can be used with raters who have minimum of training. Rating scales can be used with large number of stimuli, none of the above. Here we have to go on option B, which is the right answer. Now there are questions based on mathematical problems. Now you need to solve the questions and find your answer. I will tell the answer and you have to check it. So you can see in 106 question number 106, there are mathematical problems and you have to solve it. Then you check the answer. Out of these 5 options, option A is the correct answer. You can solve and find it out which is the right answer. The question number 107 also given here, and here the right answer is A. You can find it after doing the question, after doing the solving the sum, you can find only the answer. Question number 108. is also given. Here the options are given here. These options, out of these options, option number D is the correct answer. Here there is no need to explain the question because this is the mathematical based question, and we have to understand that these questions have to be done, to be solved by the students, only then they can come to the right answer. Here the average mark of 9 students is 25 and that of 5 students 81. So average marks of 14 students will be 45. This will be the right answer. Question number 110 is, the question is completely visible to you. Two students, Anil and Asima, appeared in an examination. Probability that Anil will qualify the examination is 0.05 and that Asima will qualify the examination is 0.10. Probability based question है. The probability that both will qualify examination is 0.02. Now what is the probability that you have to find? The probability that at least one of them will not qualify. Then here, out of these 4 options, and option B is the correct answer. We come on question number 111. Ram and Mohan together can dig a trench in 12 days, which Ram alone can dig in 30 days. In how long can Mohan alone dig it? So the right answer is, the right answer is 20 days. So you can think now. Anyway, we have to proceed now on question number 112. In a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket and 16 like to play football. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the 2 games. How many students like to play both cricket and football? So, option here D is the right answer. You have to solve it and then only you can come to the answer. You will find that answer D is the correct answer. Now we come to question number 113. Here also you have to solve the question and you will check your answer. Question number 113, option B is the correct answer. Out of these, again here question number 114, a student got twice as many sums wrong as he got right. If he attempted 40 sums in all, how many did he solve correctly? So here you have to find option number B is the correct answer. There are some reasoning based also questions that we have to see. Missing letter in the sequence Q and K question mark E. What should be filled here? Then you have to apply your brain and find out your answer. Option number B is the correct answer. Here we come now. The missing number in the sequence 4, 8, 16. Here again we see question mark here. Then what will be filled here? You will see option number D is the right answer. Page number 100, question number 117. Here missing letter from left, alphabetical based questions. And here you will find, after you coming to the conclusion, I give you the answer and check your answer. Option number A is the correct answer. Question number 118. कोड बेस्ड, लैंग्वेज में अल्फाबेटिकल है, कोड है, एंड व्हेन द कोड अल्फाबेट हैज बीन recognized by a particular code. In the same way, emotional, if Kumar is coded as LB and BS, then how is emotional coded? So here you will find, when you check the answer, you will find option number B is the correct answer. Now we come on question number 119. Anil and Sunil are ranked 7th and 11th respectively from the top in a class of 31 students. What will be their respective ranks from the bottom in the class? Don't go on the previous ticks. I am giving you correct answers and depend upon these correct answers. Option number C is the correct answer. Here again one coding based numericals. If multiply means plus, minus means multiply, and division means plus, and plus means minus. You have to change the symbols and then you have to solve. You will find the answer will be option number C. You can also check your answer. You can also calculate it. Sports is related to logo in the same way as nation is related to emblem. अगर स्टेट का अगर लोगो होता है तो नेशन का क्या होता है? स्पोर्ट्स का अगर लोगो होता है तो नेशन का क्या है? तो एम्ब्लेम होता है. एट व्हाट टाइम्स बिटवीन 3 and 4 will the two hands of a watch coincide? Here answer C is the right answer. You can find it out. This is the video only to check your answer. No discussion of new questions. These questions have been asked in the examination of headmaster written examination. Which one of the following cannot be the square of a natural number? So here you will also find, when you solve the questions, you will find answer C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. In 124, you can see here equation based question है, तो आप you have to solve it. आप solve करेंगे और option number D is the correct answer. 125 algebraic formula based question है, and you will find option B is the correct answer. Correct answer is 2. Okay. Now we come on 126. Question number 126. A rainbow is formed. Rainbow is formed due to absorption of sunlight in minute water droplets, diffusion of sunlight through water droplets, ionization of water droplets, refraction and reflection of sunlight by water droplets. None of the above. Here, out of these, rainbow is formed due to refraction and reflection of sunlight by water droplets. Now we come to question number 127. Which among the following is not an example of emulsion? Butter, chocolate milk, curd, whipped cream. None of the above. You should think and then tick on the correct answer. Then correct answer will be C, curd. Now we come on question number 128. Which of the following is the composition of vinegar? This means that how much solution of acetic acid is mixed in water. Here there are 4 options on which you have to explore. The percentage given here, and fifth option is common in all questions. If you don't find any options correct, then only you go to the option number D. But here we find option number D is the correct answer. So you go to option number D. 5% to 8% of solution of acetic acid in water is the composition of vinegar. Now we go on question number 129. Which of the following is incorrect? Alloying helps in improving the properties of a metal. Correct है. An alloy is a heterogeneous mixture of 2 or more metals. The melting point of an alloy is less than that of a pure metal. Some familiar examples of alloy include brass, bronze, steel. None of the above or more than one of the above. Here we find option number B is the correct answer. Now we come on question number 130. What is the chemical name of bleaching powder? We have to know that there are chemical names also of bleaching powder. So you have to find out of these 4 options which is the most appropriate answer. Calcium oxychloride, calcium monosulfate, calcium tetrachloride, sodium chloride, none of the above or more than one of the above. Here option number A is the correct answer. So you have to click. Now we come on question number 131. Which of the following is a chemical change? Chemical change. Cooking of food is also a chemical change. Digestion of food is also a chemical change. So these A and B both are correct. So we have to go with option E. Carrot is orange in color. Carrot is orange in color. Carrot is orange in color because it grows in specific soil. It contains carotene. It is not exposed to sunlight. Entire plant is orange in color. None of the above, or more than one of the above. So we find here B is the most appropriate answer because it is orange in color because it contains carotene. Yellow pigment है carotene. You can find here. What is protoplast? What is protoplast? Protoplast means all the things found inside the cell except the cell wall. तो प्लांट सेल में सेल वॉल को छोड़कर जितनी सारी ऑर्गेनेल्स हैं, they all are combinedly together called plant cell minus cell wall. So they will be called, there will be option B is the right answer. We come on question number 134 now. Which hormone regulates blood calcium and phosphate in human body? Thyroxine, glucagon, growth hormone, parathyroid hormone, none of the above. Here option D is the correct answer. Husband has blood group, question number 135 we are going to discuss. Husband has blood group A and wife has blood group B. What is the blood group of their children? Because A and B both are dominant characters. So A can also appear separately, B can also appear separately, AB can also happen. So here the option will be AB or O. Question number 136. We come on question number 136. Which vertebrate organ receives only oxygenated blood? Only oxygenated blood. Here spleen is the right answer. Only oxygenated blood. It gets only oxygenated blood. In spleen, only oxygenated blood is provided. Audible frequency range of a human ear: 2 Hz to 20 Hz, 20 Hz to 200 Hz, 20 Hz to 20,000, 200 to 2000 Hz. None of the above. So here option C is the correct answer, and you have to check your answer also. If you have appeared or if you are going to appear in another examination, then you should learn here that this type of question will be asked. Blackboard seems black because it does not reflect any color. It absorbs black color. It reflects every color. It reflects black color. None of the above. Here option A is the right answer. Again now we come on question number 139. 139. Soap bubble looks colored due to dispersion, interference, reflection, polarization. Here we have to see that option B is the most appropriate answer. Interference. Soap bubble looks colored due to interference. Water drops do not stick to the oily surface. Water drops do not stick to the oily surface due to lack of adhesive forces. Due to lack of adhesive forces. पानी की बूंदें तैलीय सतह पर नहीं चिपकती है. क्यों? बिकॉज एडहेसिव सरफेस जो है ये लैकिंग होता है, एडहेसिव फोर्स की वहाँ लैक होती है. सो वाटर ड्रॉप्स डू नॉट स्टिक टू द ऑयली सरफेस. नाउ वी कम ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 141 हियर. Which one of the following pairs of tunnel and connecting places is not correctly matched? Not correctly matched. We have not to go on correctly matched. We have to go on that is not correctly matched. Out of these four, when you find Syama Prasad Mukherjee Tunnel, Kashmir Valley and Jammu, Jawahar Tunnel, Jammu and Srinagar, Atal Tunnel, Leh and Manali, Jojila Tunnel under construction, Kargil and Leh. Here we know option D is appropriate answer here, which is not correctly matched. So we have to go on option D. Question number 142 now. Which one of the following Indian states has recorded highest percentage of recognized startups? Recognized startups, Maharashtra and Mumbai. Okay, Maharashtra. So question number 143. Which one of the following following types of farming is practiced in India for tea, coffee and rubber production? Now, contract farming, plantation farming, organic farming, commercial farming. Generally we have heard tea plantation, coffee plantation, rubber plantation. So we can go with option number B, which is the correct answer. Now we have to go on question number 144, which is the smallest district in Bihar. In terms of geographical area, in स्क्वायर किलोमीटर सबसे छोटा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कौन है बिहार का? तो दिस इज वेरी कॉमन क्वेश्चन, इजी क्वेश्चन वी कैन थिंक हियर, शिवहर. In comparison to other questions, this is the easy question. Most of you should do correct answers. Which one of the following district of Bihar does not have the Dharwar rocks? धारवाड़ रॉक्स कहाँ नहीं है? तो नवादा, जमुई, गया, कैमूर. हियर कैमूर इज द राइट आंसर. Now we are coming on the last page, I think page number 146. Question number 146. Which one of the following wildlife or bird sanctuaries of Bihar is the largest in terms of geographical area? बिहार में जो वन्य जीव अभ्यारण्य है उसमें सबसे भौगोलिक क्षेत्र की दृष्टि से सबसे बड़ा कौन है? वाल्मीकि अभ्यारण्य है, या कैमूर है, या भीमबंध है, या गौतम बुद्ध है, या नन ऑफ द अबव है? तो वी हैव टू गो विथ ऑप्शन नंबर बी. नाउ वी आर गोइंग विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 147 here. Which one of the following administrative divisions of Bihar has less number of districts? सबसे कम किसमें है? तो ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट सबसे कम किसका है? तो भागलपुर का है. लेस नंबर ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव डिवीजन ऑफ बिहार में लेस नंबर ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स होना, ये भागलपुर इसके लिए फेमस है. बहुत ही छोटा इसमें जिला है, इसमें कम जिले हैं. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ कंट्रीज शेयर्स द लॉन्गेस्ट माउंटेन बॉर्डर? Country shares the longest mountain border. Here you have to click on India, China, Spain, France, Chile, Argentina, Pakistan, Afghanistan, none of the above. Here we can go with option number C. Question number 149. Which one of the following pairs of territory and country is not correctly matched? Reunion France, Macau China, La Palma Spain, Falkland UK. None of the above or more than one of the above. Here Macau China is the correct answer. Which one of the following area does not have coral reefs? This is the last question of this set. And there is Gulf of Mannar, Gulf of Kutch, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Gulf of Khambat. Here Gulf of Khambat is the right answer, which does not have any coral reefs. So this is the last question, and I have discussed 1 to 150 questions in my 3 parts, my 3 videos. And if you like it, you share it, you subscribe it. Thank you.